Alright guys, we have a 2007 PT Cruiser. This is a non-turbo, and we need to replace this pulley right here. Let me angle my camera so we can see better. This pulley right here is making this is a tensioner pulley. It's making a loud noise. You can buy this pulley separately. You know, this is the part number on it. Let me see if you can see that. 36156. That's the part number on it. There's a couple other numbers. So if you need any of these numbers, you can go ahead, search the part online. But let me take out the pulley. So here's the pulley I have out of the box. This is the pulley. This is the pulley we're gonna replace. This is number 15. This is number 15 bolt here. So you can buy this separately. What happened here was the bearing went bad. See how smooth this is? No noise. Ignore the noise in the background, but no noise. Well, once I take off this belt, I'm gonna show you how much noise this is creating. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take number 15. All right, I'm going the wrong way. I'm sorry guys. Let me go the other way. So what I'll do is I'll softly just take off the belt from one of these spots. All right, next what I'll do is, well, let me show you at this point. Let me bring this belt down a little bit. You hear that? That's the bearing going bad inside that pulley. Alright, so you're just gonna turn this bolt just like any other regular bolt. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, same direction. Alright, once you have it loose, you can do it by hand. There's probably a washer right here. Don't lose that. Make sure you put that back in. If there's any other pieces behind that, make sure you put those back in. Let me get this bolt out and then I'll show you exactly what I have out. Let me go this direction so you can see as well. Alright, you're gonna take this off first. Make sure you put it somewhere safe. And then you're gonna take the pulley out. Simple, very easy. Alright, so this pulley is no good. Alright, so we'll take the new pulley. Just make sure the center is the same size. It's not a different size. So they both, you could put it either direction. There's no inside outside. They both got the same length inside. Alright, so this fits in pretty good. We'll take our bolt next. Just want to let you know guys, before this I have there's a cover here. That was a cover here. It had a couple of 10mm bolts down here and a clip here. I removed that. I wasn't able to get that on the camera. Well, I started the job just to diagnose it, what it was. It was making a noise. So I wasn't gonna record, but then eventually I did. So just in case you guys need to change it. Simple job, right guys? Can't get the wrench in yet. Let me get a little bit more. It's a little stiff, so I'll use this open-ended wrench. Work it in a little bit, and then I can put my gear wrench on. Hopefully my belt didn't come off the alternator, but I'll double check anyway. Let me see if I can get my gear wrench on at this moment. There you go. Let me center this washer. Alright guys, and now you can just turn this pulley and there should be no noise. Alright, make sure this little washer here, whatever you want to call this, is not hitting that. If it is hitting that, you need to check the pulley. You might not have the correct pulley. Alright guys, so I'll check on my alternator, or not alternator, I'm sorry, the power steering pump. It looks good. There's a power steering pump up there which has the belt going on. Alright, so the job is over and got my glove stuck, and we're gonna put this belt on. Alright, it's done. That's it guys, 5-minute job and it's pretty much done. Alright, so after this you can put everything back together. There should be no problems with anything. And subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. You could comment or send me a message. And if you need help with anything else, you can ask me that as well. Alright, thank you, bye bye, and subscribe and share my videos with everybody you know, all of your friends.